Fall in love all over again with a romantic escape to southern Tuscany and Umbria, where unhurried days meet medieval charm. Nestled on the shores of Lake Trasimeno, Passignano becomes your sanctuary of romance and tranquility. Your journey begins with a lakeside retreat, a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, and an intimate candlelit dinner. Discover hidden villages and wine country, where centuries-old farmhouses and local artisans craft timeless memories. Explore the sacred stones of Assisi and the vibrant energy of Perugia, finding beauty in every corner. Savor a slow morning in Passignano with breakfast on your terrace before your journey continues. Next, find sophisticated tranquility in Lucignano, where medieval architecture meets contemporary designer luxury. Your package includes boutique accommodations, curated wine experiences, and a private 90-minute spa journey. Customize your escape with a private driver, cooking classes for two, or a professional sunset photo shoot. Your romance awaits in Italy's green heart. Let one in Umbria craft the journey that opens your eyes.